If you're facing some lag while you're using your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just do a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on iPhone Storage, and from here just check if you have enough storage on your iPhone or not. If the storage on your iPhone is full, just delete any app which you're not using, or you can upload all your data like your photos and videos to the iCloud, and you can delete them from your iPhone to free up some storage. After that, just go back and under the General Settings, just tap on Background App Refresh. Now from here, if all these toggles are enabled, then the apps on your iPhone will automatically refresh in the background. What I recommend is just disable the toggle for all the apps except the necessary apps, like the social media apps and the messaging apps, just like that, and disable the rest of the apps. Now after you've done that, then go back to the main settings page and tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility settings, just tap on Motion, and from here just enable Reduce Motion. Now after you enable Reduce Motion, the option for Prefer Crossfade Transitions will appear on the screen. Also make sure you enable this toggle. Now after you've done that, then go to your home screen and check if this fixes your issue or not. But if this also did not work, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General. And under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update. Now from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. And this is how you can fix the lag issues on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.